see here, what is the question asking? How much total money has he spent on food and entertainment? Okay, now once again, see here, please observe this one. What do we know here? His total income actually is in two parts here, correct now? Okay, what have we seen this one? It is 9228 here, 9228 plus how much? It is 922.8 here, which we got it equal to how much? It is 10150.8 here. Like this we got it, correct? Now this income here, he is actually dividing into, okay, he is giving in the expenses in different categories here. Okay, now what do we want? We want this one. How much money has he spent on food and entertainment? Please see here. On food here, what do we know? It is 25%, and on entertainment we know it is how much? It is 9% here. 25 and then plus a 9 here. How much? It is 34%. So what exactly are we calculating? It is just this one, 34%. Okay, it is just this one, 34% of his total income here. That's what we are supposed to calculate. Let us do something here. Okay, let's calculate this one. Okay, so hence we can tell this one, our required answer is equal to how much? It is 34% of how much? It is this 10150.8 here. Now please observe, we could have approximated this one also here. Please see, in approximation I could have said this one, that 34% is very close to 33.1/3%. I mean, let's understand. Okay, if it were 33.1/3%, so there what we would have said, okay, approximately I can tell this one, it is equal to how much? It is equal to 33.1/3%. In fraction, it is how much? It is 1/3. Okay, 1/3 of how much? It is 10150.8 here. Like this we would have calculated. But there is a small problem here. Okay, there is an option called as a none of this here. Okay, there is an option none of this present here. So this approximate, suppose if this none of this was not there here, we could have calculated the approximate value, and then from the given options we could have selected the one which is very close to that approximated value here. But since this option none of this is given for us here, we have to be a little bit careful in our calculations. So let's actually calculate here what is the value for this. Okay, 34% of, okay, this particular number here. Let us do this once. Okay, let us do this once. So here I am supposed to multiply 10150.8 here, and then let me multiply with the 34 here. Okay, 4 8, how much? It is 32 here. Okay, 15 into 4, I want to call it 60 here, and next one 10 into 4 here, here is equal to how much? It is 40 here. 3 8, how much is it? It is 24 here. 15 3s, how much? It is 45 here. Okay, 15 3 is 45, and 15 10s, how much? I mean 10 into 3, how much is equal to? It is 30 here. So let me do this one. So this is 7 2. Okay, this is 2 here, 6 5 11. This is 5 here, and this is 3 4 here. Okay, remember? Okay, here, so hence, okay, this number we are supposed to divide it by 1000. Okay, I have chosen to take this one 10150.8. Okay, so hence this is a decimal point. If I am removing it, I'll get a 10 in the denominator here. Okay, so in the denominator it is 10 into 100, which is 1000 here. So hence, okay, dividing this by 1000 here, we are going to get it is 3451.72 here. So hence I can tell the value for this one is how much? It is 3451.272 here. This is the value here. Okay, from the options here, which is that actually, which is, okay, this one 3451. Okay, we are actually getting 3451 here. Okay, from the options we see this one, it is there in none of this here, and that is the answer.